Good morning and welcome to Ma'am Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Jan.
And I'm Anna.
No trail look.
And in the spirit of the holidays and embracing getting older, we wanted to talk today about inexpensive holiday gifts that you can give. And not just give inexpensive holiday gifts, but also how to personalize and make them a little bit more special. So for example, I bought these cute little dishcloths at Home Goods, 2 for $6. And all I did is for 37 cents, I went to Kinko's and printed out a recipe in the reverse. Come home using my jet printer, my jet ink printer. I made a copy of it on this transfer paper and then ironed it on. Doesn't it look
Great
cute?
idea.
So on one side it says believe, and on the other side it says easy pumpkin soup recipe.
You can do any recipe.
Any recipe. And not just that, but I mean, what a handy way to have a recipe and not have to go looking for it.
Aren't
Right?
you just clever?
Go ahead. Yeah, I am.
Oh, wow.
But with the transfer, you could also do photographs. Like you could do your
Yes, you
kids
can.
or
You
grandkids
can.
or your pets.
That's a great idea.
Or names.
So I have the second one of the set here, and I've already ironed it to make sure it doesn't have little wrinkles. This is the recipe for flan. And I had it printed in the reverse at Kinko's, and then I came home and made a copy of it on this transfer paper. And this transfer paper has a purple line.
Now, what do you do when you take it in? You just say,
I want a
print in
mirror
the reverse?
image. I want a mirror image copy of this.
Okay.
And what's the purple line mean?
That's just for you to know that's the part that goes up.
Oh, well, I
Okay.
think you would do
So the iron is very, very hot, and while I do this, you ladies can talk about other presents that we can give that are very inexpensive, but are good.
A bottle of wine
Absolutely.
comes to my mind.
home baked.
Especially if you take the bottle of wine and you put a bow on it, or you put it in a little pretty bag, or even a brown paper bag, but kind of make color or something on the brown paper bag.
Ribbon.
You can make a cute little cover for a wine bottle by taking an old, like a Christmas sock and cutting the toes off,
Oh, that's so cute.
I know.
Oh, aren't you? Isn't she clever?
I'm clever.
Clever. What about cute photo frames? You could
Oh,
get
yes.
one and
You
do
can't
all
have
sorts
too
of
many
things.
of
to it.
those.
No, well,
No, Kathy
I have
once
too
gave me
many.
3 little photo frames of my grandchildren. I loved it. Loved it, loved it, loved it. Yeah, that's a great gift.
And even what about like some bath stuff, some cute little soaps or something you can put them in a little bag or wrap. I mean, there's so many little things you could get that are not expensive.
Food.
Food is always a good thing.
Like,
What kind
not
of food?
necessarily, well, like you said, baked
Cheese.
Baked cookies.
Or
Mm.
cheese.
Or
Oh my
cheeses.
God, I love
Oh,
cheese.
cheese.
and
is a great idea.
crackers.
Cheese
What was that?
I have,
Who are you?
I have 2 friends to do quilting. And so what I did is I bought a little packet of 5-inch squares that are from a fabric designer I happen to like. And so I bought them each a little packet. It was inexpensive, but I don't know, it just made me feel good that I'm contributing to their quilts.
How about homemade jellies and jams?
Yes. Yeah.
Or candy.
Or candy,
Or
or
candy.
cookies,
Mm-hmm.
or cookies.
Homemade
Yeah.
candy. Homemade fudge.
Another thing I like to give is journals. Just those beautiful books
Oh,
that
yeah.
you can buy at Barnes & Noble or even at the Dollar Tree. And they have a beautiful cover on the outside and a nice pen to go with it. And it's a lovely thing for people to keep and write down whatever they want.
One of my favorites is candles.
Oh,
I
yes.
love
Yes,
candles.
yes,
You
yes,
can't
yes,
have enough
yes.
candles.
Mhm.
And you can wrap those up really pretty as well. Lots of things.
Lots of things. Keychains or things to hang on the mirror of your car. Not the big dice. I don't like the big dice. But they used to have car charms that were inexpensive in car supply stores.
Car
and they
charms,
were
really?
beautiful, yes. Yes, like
That must-
Brighton.
Maybe that was before our time.
For my time. You know what else someone gives me every year? Those socks that are like the thicker, fuzzier
Oh, I
ones.
love
Like
those.
they come with pajamas sometimes.
Oh, I love
But they're
those.
just the
Yeah.
socks. I love those.
Yep.
Especially,
so
I like those, especially if they have the little rubber on the bottom so you don't slide.
Yeah,
Or
but then
slip.
those feel. I have both, but they do
Yeah.
feel kind of weird.
Yeah, I love those.
I know, but at our age, we don't need to slide. So,
I don't like the way she said that.
I don't either. I think you're older than me anyway, so speak for yourself.
Let's not go there.
yeah, she's not that far behind.
So how long do you have to keep doing that?
90 seconds. Do you think we've been talking for 90
I
seconds?
would think so.
Oh, you know what? I got a gift last year that I really loved.
What was it?
It was 2 gourmet bottles of olive oil, like flavored olive
yeah.
oil.
That's a
Those are
great one.
big.
I made that one time for Christmas.
Oh, I love
forgot.
that.
Yes.
Yeah, oils are really nice.
It was really cool.
And in pretty little, like, I had
Yeah.
got 2 of them. I loved
Yeah.
them. I used them.
Or my daughter just made me a jar of Cuban seasoning. So that instead of buying it made, which has MSG, she made it without the MSG for all of us. She made a tube for all of us.
That's
a
great.
little, not a tube, that's the word you would use in Spanish, but a little bottle of it, a spice bottle.
Very nice.
Yeah. So we have to wait until this, ow, 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 ow.
It's so hot.
Yes, it's really hot.
Keep me warm.
Brother, let's build you a campfire.
I know.
Okay. Any other ideas we didn't touch upon that I had written?
You could get some cute gloves because even though
Nice gloves.
it's we're
Yeah, we need
California,
those in California.
Yes, we do. I could have had them this morning.
I love travel bags, little travel bags for your suitcases. Any color, any size. I just love those.
And then you can fill them with just those little items at the travel size stuff.
Right.
That's a cute idea too.
Okay. Oh, it's cool.
Ooh.
So should we try it?
Don't roll.
Okay, so now we lift it up in the corner.
And
Voila!
It worked! It worked! It's supposed to work, but I always worry.
Look at that.
Look.
it worked. Ta-da!
I'll show you in a minute. Oh, how cool is that? Flan. My favorite dessert. Ta-da!
Very
The
nice.
full
Very cute.
recipe. This is adorable. So this one, oh wait, I didn't do it right. This one on one side will have a star that says wish. And on the other side, I'll have the flan recipe. Isn't this adorable?
Very cute.
Yes, very cool.
I love it.
Success.
Yay! Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to click the share and like buttons.
Be sure to subscribe to Mam Talks on YouTube.
And our website, www.mamtalks.com. And remember to keep embrace getting older with us. Bye.
Bye bye.